First, to today's project, removing an old toilet and installing a new one. There's about 2 bolts that's inside the flange on the floor, holding the toilet to the floor, and getting those out. Sometimes I ran into a case one time where they were just rusted. They would not turn, they would not move. I took a electric hacksaw or sawzall, was able to get above the toilet and get them off. Another time, I didn't have my hacksaw or my sawzall to get these bolts off. So the owner said, just crush it. And I took my hammer and just smashed it to pieces, smashed the porcelain, put it in the bag, and got rid of it. But in some cases, the toilet bolts are movable. You can get them out. And if you're by yourself, you might want to take the bolts out the bowl first and remove it, and then the toilet. Make sure you take the toilet, have a big, large contractor bag to put the toilet in, because there's water still inside of the drainage loop. And you have to put that inside of a bag so when you're removing it out of the house, none of the water spills on inside. So the recipe to removing a toilet and installing a new toilet. Stand by. Recipe 2, installing a toilet. Pretty straightforward process here. This one came from a bargain store. It's American Standard. It's got the bowl and the toilet down there, and hopefully we got some hardware. Like it's down in there. I'm gonna pull it out. So we're going to be installing a toilet today, removing the old one and installing the new one. I've got a wax ring, put at the bottom of the toilet. Now gasket here with a bolt for the bowl. And we have the bolt to mount the toilet to the at the bottom of the toilet, so it looks like everything's here. This one I'm going to be removing here. Make sure I have a little bowl to catch the water when I got my water turned off there. When I take this off, there's a little water left. Got my tools here. Phillips head, got me a flat head, a wrench there. Got me a little hacksaw just in case. In some cases, the bolts get rusted on, but these look like they're fairly new, so we shouldn't have any problem. Sometimes you have to saw the bolts off under here. Between the toilet and the bowl. Sometimes they get rusty, but I feel like I'm gonna be okay with these. A few times I had to take my hacksaw and get the bolt off that way. There's 2 of them on each side. And I have me a 7/8 on 7/16 socket to put over the bolt, make it easier to come off. Fits right over there. Just get my socket wrench in, or in some cases they can turn by hand. This one's coming pretty easy. Get it off faster than just using a pair of wire pliers. Came right off. Push the water off. If I can turn this by hand, sometimes you can't, sometimes you can't. Loosen it up. Put the water drain in this bowl here. I have a 1/2 inch. Just going to put that over the bottom of them as I take my my flathead screwdriver and hold it. I'm gonna take my flathead screwdriver and hold the top of it while I use the socket to turn the bottom. And once you get the screws out, just lift up on the bowl and it's removed. Other side's ready to come up. Lift up on it. This is the flange that is going to be on the floor. It may have an aluminum ring or maybe a different design, but the basic flange that's going to be on the floor for the toilet to mount to. You're going to have some screws here. The washer. It's going to go inside of this slot here like that, and you're going to take this plastic it's going to keep it still. When you set the toilet on top, it's not going to move, so you want to kind of slide those in place first. And you got room to move it around to line up when you set the toilet on. That's going to go to the holes that are on the base of the toilet. You have your wax ring. I tried a few times to take this and put it on the back of the toilet before you set it on there, but recently I've been just taking it. Get out the package here. Recently I've been taking and just setting it over the drain on top of the flange and pressing down on it, and taking my toilet and lining up my hose and just setting it down real easy. And once I get it on there, then I maneuver the toilet on top of it. But instructions tell you to take this and put this underneath the toilet first and press on it and then set it down there. But I found it easier for me to set it on the flange and kind of press it in place and get my hose lined up from there and press down on it. That works for me. And these washers and bolts here, and once you get the toilet down on there, this sets on top of the base of the toilet, and of course you have your two screws that are going to hold it down. Screw heads. I want to take and assemble my tank. Once I assemble it, the screws are going to set through these holes. I'll take my rubber gasket and set it like that. I'm going to take my washer and my bowl and slide it through. My bowl washer and bolt, my rubber washer, has a looks like that. Slide it through. The other hole there. This one didn't come with a extra washer. I'd like to tighten up this side before I actually put this on the bowl and tighten it from under the toilet. So I'm going to put the another washer and bolt on this end from the old bowl. These bolts have a different type of washer on them, rubber washer. Kind of has a point on it. Just going to slide it in there and let it come through. from the other side. Got the bolt sitting on top of the tarp now, and the bolts are coming through. You can see my gasket there. The bolt is coming through. It's going to tighten everything down.